What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am working on my base, as you can see right here. So I haven't posted in a while. It's been a while because of a season that we're in called Lent. So I'm just gonna work on these. Like these 6 are farms. This is where my base will be, because I'm not gonna live right about there anymore. I'm gonna tear that down sometime. And Green is making that. I could probably show you. But yeah, Monty words. That's probably not good. And I need a whole lot of polished black stone. So yeah. Look. Yeah, that's the way to get up. And if you come here, bam. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And yeah. So and then when you want to get down, you drop down into that hole. Yeah. So that's how you do that. But I need to like do this. Like literally all this. So let's get right into it. Alright, as you can see, I've finished with this, as this wasn't here before. But I had to grab a pickaxe, or make a pickaxe. But, yeah, I got all of this. So I gotta break that. So let me go craft a... First I'm going to crafting table. Alright, I've got to break this. I can place it with dirt. I don't really care what design it is now. But yeah, then I can make a crafting table. And then, bam. Got an iron pick. Oh my gosh, there's monsters nearby. I think I know where it is. Thought I might be dead. Oh shoot. Yeah, this is not a very good site to be. Oh shoot. Anyway, I'm gonna sleep in Green's bed, I guess. Because there's a creeper at my base. Me and Green always make a joke that it's someone else's. Like, whenever a creeper like explodes our base, we pretend it's Creeper 14641. It's pretty hilarious. So, don't let Creeper 14641 explode you. Fight him. So, fight Creeper. Even though he has netherite armor. Anyway, I gotta have to fix this. Wow. That was big. polite. Alrighty, we'll be back after I fix this. Alright guys, as you can see I fixed it barely, but I have to go back and get more, some, polished black stone. So, please don't attack me, please don't attack me. Okay, it's just a baby. He doesn't attack. So anyway, I will get a whole bunch of these. I'll see you guys back at my base. Alright, while I'm mining this, I just want to say, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, post notifications, and don't forget to check out Green Kid 1's channel, and Creeper, oh my gosh, there's lava, and Creeper MC14, I don't really know what that is, what his name is really, and 180 Gaming Shorts, and we got like 3 stacks so far, but and my pickaxe broke. Got one in lava. Anyway, yeah, let's just go and warp back to the path, which will lead me close to my house. And anyway, don't forget to check those people out, and I'll be working on my base. And yeah, Green Kid wanted added some solar sand to make it way much faster. If you have soul sand whatever too, then that will help so much, by the way. Anyway, he asked me if I can do some stuff for the house, so go ahead. So he did, and he's extending it some as well, like to the castle and stuff. So anyway, I got my Electra back, and sometime, whenever I'm not building this, I'm gonna go fight a ghast. And I'll make a video about that, getting ghast tears to make, I don't really know what it's called, but I'm gonna make something so then I can fight the, because I wanna get a chance to fight the dragon. Yeah, so, and once I start it, there's no turning back. So, I want to try to do it without any help. Green Kid 1, if you're watching this, Mr. B's, 180 Gaming, I want to try it myself. I never fought the Ender Dragon, like, on survival. I've only done, like, creative, but I want to get a chance to do it. So, anyway, I'll make a video about those. And I'll make a video about getting a beacon, because I really want a beacon. We all have been talking about it for quite some time. And Green Kid 1 is starting to get wither skeletons. So, I might do that after my build. Once I get full netherite armor, I'll go to the fortress and go do it. Yeah, after I'm done with this build, I'm probably gonna go get full netherite armor. So, anyway, I'll probably make a video about moving in, but, yeah, I'm just gonna finish the floors. And also, oh my gosh, I'm so lagged. Anyway, Green Kid 1 is coming to our house. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. And I'm dead. Anyway, Green Kid 1 is coming to our house tomorrow, so he'll help us with, like, YouTube stuff, and then I'll get, like, time-lapse and stuff, so if you're not new here, don't forget to hit that like button, smash that like button, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.